So logarithms, we're going to call them logs for short, right? And a log with a base b. Okay, b is always the base. That's the number at the bottom of the exponent. Okay, I know you know what that is. All right, it's like the 3 on the ones we just did on the board. So a log with base b, the way that you write it is like this. Okay, log subscript b. Okay, I would say it's in the basement. Okay, log b, it's down low. It's like the opposite of an exponent. You know how exponent's floating up here? Subscript is down here. Okay, log base b of y. Y is the same as the log equals x. Okay, this is logarithmic form. And that is the same thing, a different way of saying b, the same b, the base here is the base here, b to the x power equals y. Okay, these b's are the same, these y's are the same, the x is the same. Okay, but on this one is log b. You know b and y, you don't know what x is, the exponent. Okay, so that we write it this way because it's a way of solving it. Okay, and the way that you say it, this is actually a question on the practice, is log base b of y equals x. Right, that's how you would say it out loud. Okay, log base b of y equals x. All right, the first problems we're going to do, they'll tell you write in exponential form. Okay, they're going to give it to us in log form. This is logarithmic form. We're going to transform it, move everything around in exponential form. Okay, so we're not solving anything. We're just writing it in a different order on these problems. Okay, so we're going to go from logarithmic to exponential. Right, orange form to purple form. Right, based on just the colors that I used up here. And we're going to do 4 in this section, then 4 in another section, then 4 in the last section. Okay, so first problem, they give it to us in log. Log base 2 of 16 equals 4. And again, on these first ones, there's nothing to solve. We're just rearranging it, putting it in the right form, okay? All of my problems, I'm going to write in this color, and then my answers, I'm going to write in a different color. Okay, so this is the problem. Then we're going to write it in exponential form. Okay, the easiest thing to start with is the base. Okay, this 2 right here goes here. Okay, so I always circle my base. That's the easiest thing to find. So the base is 2. And for these, to me, the easiest way to remember the order is to do a counterclockwise circle. 2, 4, end up at 16. Okay, meaning 2 to the 4th power, because we're writing in an exponential form, 2 to the 4th power equals 16. Right, and you can check these. Again, they give you all the answers. Just make sure that you put it in the right place. You can check it in your calculator. Okay, 2 to the 4th power equals 16. Okay, that's how I know that I put it in the right order. That's all we're doing on these first 4. Taking it from log form to exponential form. All right, number 2. They give us a log base e of 1 equals 0. Okay, so we're going to write it in exponential form. So what's my base? E, right? E. It's in the basement. That's an easy way to remember it. Then what's my exponent? The 0 or the 1? 0, right? Remember, we go like this. 0 is my exponent equals 1. All right? And this is a special rule that we need to remember, okay? You're going to need it more than once. Anything to the 0 power always equals 1. Okay? That's a rule that we've talked about before. It doesn't come up all the time, but it's a very basic rule. Anything to the 0 power always equals 1. So if you're getting something weird and you're like, I can't figure out what it is, it's probably because it's equal to 1. Okay? Anytime the y is 1, that means that the x has to be 0. You can, again, check that in your calculator. Okay? I'm going to do e to the 0, 1. Okay? Negative 15 to the 0 power, 1. Okay? A million to the 0 power, 1. Oh, I did that wrong. Sorry. That should be negative 15 to the 0 power. You got to put it in parentheses. All right? Anything to the 0 power equals 1. Okay? That's just a special rule. You'll come across it once every now and then. Not that often, so just try to remember. Okay? Number 3. Okay, log of 12. Log base 12 of 12 equals 1.